This is for charging, liquid charging, solid catalyst charging via wall. This nozzle has a dip pipe inside, so in that you can use gas to charge, or you can take sample under pressure. This is a vent wall. This will show the pressure, and this is a solenoid valve. It will act digitally in response to this pressure transmitter. It will read the pressure inside the reactor, and whatever the set value, it will release automatically. And over here, this is a manual spring relief valve. It will blow at 100 bar. It has been preset to 100 bar. And last, these are the cooling coils, and this is the temperature sensor. Now we'll just start the control panel. Control panel has an emergency switch over here. If you press this, the complete control panel or the entire unit will stop. So even if I on the main, it will not unless you unlock this emergency switch. Now this buzzer is indicating that something has gone wrong, because of which you have pressed this emergency switch. Now in the home screen, you have to get inside this alarm and off it manually. This indicates that somebody has come and has attended the unit. Now in display, you will see mantle temperature, reactor pressure inside the reactor, reactor temperature. This is the set value at which you want the reaction to take place. This is the extreme value of the heater. You can set the delta T depending on your process requirement. Say you have a process requirement of 100 degree only. So if the heater goes up to 300 degrees, then it will give you its extra heat to the reactor, and the temperature will rise even if the heater is off. So you need to reduce this to 150 degree. How to do it, I'll just show you. Just click on that temperature, you will get a display. You can change the value. Say at present I'll say 200 degree. Now it has taken 200 degree. Similarly, for motor running, you can just on it from this side, but it will not on because the process is not ready. So first you have to start this process. It will get on, then only it will start. See, now the motor is in run position, but RPM is 0. So you need to set the RPM, say 500 degree, 500 RPM. Enter. The motor has started at 500 RPM. You can change the value even while running. Say I'll say 1200 degree. Now it is running at 1200 RPM. Now to set the temperature of heater of the reactor, you want reactor to attain this temperature. So say I get it say 50 degree. Enter. Now the heater is on, but unless you on this manually, it will not get on, because this is needed. Manually on off is needed say in emergency. So you can easily directly on off. You don't need to go inside the programming part and get it done. So I'll just on it. So now the heater is on. See. You can off it from here forcefully. Even if this switch is on, you have off it from here, and this also, in this way also. In both ways you can use the heater button. This is for auto cooling. Say temperature has reached 50. Even if the heater is on, say by some faulty readings, and it is getting over the set value, then auto cooling pump will automatically start and reduce the temperature to the set value. So now the stirrer is running at 1200 rpm and pressure is at around say 15 bar in the pressure gauge, and digitally it is showing 13.5. Now since we are on the heater temperature is rising very fast because one sensor has been placed in the heater part. Over here, this will show the temperature and also indicate that the heater is working. If this temperature is rising, means the heater is working. Compared to this will be very slow because it's a reactor of 10 mm wall thickness. So it will gradually increase. This will come at around 200 degree and